2016, which is co-sponsored by Bombay Trooper. Whoa, give a huge round of applause. The event is powered by Comedy Now and co-sponsored by Bombay Trooper. So, this is an event year-end special, and give a huge round of applause for Chalta Hai Comedy.
Okay guys, give it up for Puneet Pandya, ladies and gentlemen, your host for tonight. Give it up for Sriram. Oh, and give it up for me. I'm the most handsome guy in Powai, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Andy Regu. Thank you.
मित्रों, मैं पुनीत पंड्या आपका स्वागत करता हूँ रंगमंच के सचिन कार्यक्रम में, जिसका नाम है सेम शिट डिफरेंट ईयर. We are called Chalta Hai Comedy, guys, and like most of you will end up becoming, we are also a startup. Great to see so many engineers here. Are all of you engineers? Yes. Minority, छोड़ दो. And you guys must know this, right? Engineers in India, they have a different word for foreplay. Video buffering. Hostel life is amazing, right? Are all of you here in a hostel? Yeah? Hostel life teaches you so much about life. Sometimes about death. It's a great experience. In fact, I had so many friends living in the hostel, and some of them used to keep an alarm at 7 in the morning. Just to wake up, jerk off, then go back to sleep. Some of them right here. फिर चैन का नहीं आता ना बाद में. Time लगता है बाद में. But not all of them are. Not all of them. They're generalizing. Not all engineers are like that. Some of them are romantic engineers. So these are the guys who watch the complete video. Right from the start, when the doorbell rings, and the guy says, "Ping Tong, Domino's," and the girl says, "You delivered in 30 minutes. Can you last for 20 minutes?" Romantic guys in the audience. Guys, this show is called 2016, Same Shit, Different Year. Or as many of you call it, ATKT.
Or, as some of you will start calling it, appraisals.
I don't know whether you know this, but this show is just like Newsa with Arnab, except our jokes are intentional, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Most of them. Okay, this has been an amazing year. It's been such a weird year and an amusing year. Yes, people from Jharkhand are commenting on the US election. जो लोग फ्लिपकार्ट पे 50 रुपए कूपन के लिए जुगाड़ करते हैं, वो लोग अपना ओपिनियन बांट रहे हैं ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी के ऊपर. सब लोग एक्सपर्ट है ना. एवरीबॉडी इज एन एक्सपर्ट दिस डेज. Everybody is an expert on surgical strikes, diplomatic isolation, which is so ironic because the closest most of us will ever come in life to practicing diplomatic isolation is removing somebody from a WhatsApp group. A lot of startup guys here.
Oh yeah. I realized when 2016 has been a very amusing year is when earlier this year I was at a startup convention in Delhi, where an 18-year-old kid's app got funded for $2 million. If you feel that is good, his app delivers condoms over the phone.
But तुम लोग करोगे क्या उसका? Why are you cheering for it?
This guy started a condom delivery app in Delhi, where the most commonly used contraceptive is a pepper spray. trap exists, right? Because most of us, when we have to buy condoms, we go to stores like Guru Kripa or Balaji or what, like, you know, and there's always this 78-year-old guy who gives you that look as though you made him commit the biggest sin by asking him to give you condoms. And this guy is so old that if you ask him for a pack of Kama Sutras, he'll probably give you the manuscript. Right? But I can't wait for this guy's app to merge with Tinder and Airbnb to give the best virtual pimp a guy can ask for, right? Or as most of you will call it, Oyo Rooms and Truly Madly. But it works. A lot of startups, man. In 2016, I think we learned a lot about startups.
2016, it was a year of startup because everybody in the company had a startup. You know, यहाँ पे 3 लोग शेयर ऑटो में थे, वो लोग ने भी अपना स्टार्टअप चालू कर दिया है. It is happening that way. But how many of you want to start a startup? Wow, that's good. That's good. One guy, and you know what is the future tense of startup, right? Shut down. But I'll tell you what. मैं अभी मेरे एक दोस्त से मिला था, he is also from IIT. वो बोला कि मैंने खुद का स्टार्टअप चालू किया. I'm like, wow, शाम को देखा तो मसाला डोसा बेच रहा स्टेशन पे. वो भी उसका स्टार्टअप ही है. That is also a startup for him only. And he is apparently a consultant in a startup. So let me just tell you what I realized, okay? If you are a consultant, तो दूसरों को चूतिया बना रहा है. If you are a startup, तो खुद को चूतिया बना रहा है. If you are a consultant in a startup, अखंड चूतियापा. That is what it is.
The biggest news of 2016 has been the whole demonetization issue, right? People are planning these days to go to ATMs as though it's nightclubs. Like, सुबह को HSBC जाएंगे, दोपहर को HDFC जाएंगे, शाम को धनलक्ष्मी जाएंगे. जहाँ पे ना ही धन है ना लक्ष्मी है. And once the 2000 rupee note came out, so many rumors started to come, right? Like 2000 उसमें GPS tracking chip है. Then in the second week there was a rumor that उसमें खुद का Play Store है, जहाँ पे Candy Crush download कर सकते हैं. Currently the 2000 rupee note has more features than the iPhone 8. Like, and people are doing stupid things with the 2000 rupee note, man. Like,
I don't know, आप लोगों ने शायद ये देखा होगा. There's a video which went viral. वो वीडियो में ना एक आदमी 2000 के नोट को धो रहा है. छुट्टी और चट्टी थोड़ी है, धो रहा क्यों है? तुम क्या कर रहे हो? उससे खरीद ना, बियर कुछ खरीद, क्या कर रहे हो? What are you guys doing? And apparently people are reviewing it, and it is getting better reviews than Micromax का phone. Even though it's a fucking note, मुझे पता नहीं चला क्या हो रहा है, but I can understand everything. But लोग धो क्यों रहे हैं नोट को? I'm like, what is that? Why are people washing the 2000 rupee note?
I think that's what you call money laundering.
Maybe.
Puneet, have you been affected by the whole demonetization scam?
Not really. What about you guys? I have no problems, guys. None at all.
They don't have money.
See, I have no problems because my father is retired. So for him, going to SBI is like going to CCD. He knows everybody there. उसको मालूम है कि वॉचमैन के अंकल के फेवरेट भोजपुरी बैंड का नाम क्या है. He knows everything.
Is it Lipstick Love Boys? कौन सा है? क्या है?
Lipstick what? I think वो उसका फेवरेट बैंड है. He knows everybody, man. So this has given him new purpose in life. Every day he wakes up in the morning, he makes a route plan like a sales guy. He's like, आज ना मैं इतना सबमिट करेगा, इतना विड्रॉ करेगा, इतना छुट्टा करेगा. He comes home, he's so proud of himself. He will put out all the notes on the bed like this. देख बेटा, आज की कमाई देख. Full gangster feeling, you know. Local gangster. Pablo Chocobar or something like that.
But there's some people for whom this whole thing has been a boon, right?
हाँ, मतलब I'll tell you what. A lot. मतलब your dad may be सही हो रहा है, but there are other people जिनको एकदम मजा आ रहा है. They have found newfound respect. That is telecallers. Telecallers are having a lot of respect. क्योंकि I'll tell you what. ये मेरे साथ ही होता है. एक हफ्ता 2 महीने पहले एक आदमी बोला था, मतलब वही मध्य प्रदेश से कॉल करके बोला, सर आपको कार्ड चाहिए. मैं बोला माधवचंद मेरे को फोन मत कर. रख दिया फोन मैंने. बट अभी क्या 2 हफ्ते पहले मैंने वापस उसको कॉल किया. बोला अरविंद हाय, याद है मैं ही तेरे को बोला था माधवचंद 2 बार. नहीं हूँ नहीं. क्या है ना कि अभी मेरे को क्रेडिट कार्ड का जरूरत है तो और तुम्हारे बाद मुझे इसका रागिनी का फोन भी आया था. अच्छा तुम्हारी शादी हो गई? ठीक है, उसका भी नंबर दे दो, दो क्रेडिट कार्ड चाहिए पूरे मोहल्ले के लिए. So it's been good. It's not bad for everybody. You know that?
One person for him it's been very good is Mukesh Ambani, right? Yet again, to इस खराब साल में भी he made more money, man. Reliance Jio, तुम लोग ने सिम खरीदा कि नहीं?
फ्री में मिला सबको यार, स्पॉन्सर है उनका.
Reliance Jio is the fastest rollout of any service ever in the history of humankind. पता है? It is fast. It's now third only to Christianity and Islam. That's how popular it is. हम middle class households में क्या होता है? We feel we are successful when every person in the house has a smartphone, right? अंबानी के घर में if every person has a mobile network, then they are successful. ठीक है? और उसमें जियो के लॉन्च में he said so many things like Reliance Jio has 10 million movies, 100 million songs, 1 billion TV channels. पीछे से कोई बोल रहा है उसको, पर हम लोग तो पॉन ही देखने वाले हैं, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? You know, and he's made so much money. अगले साल ना, I think we should all just pay our taxes to Mukesh Ambani directly and leave the middleman out of it, right? Kuch, why to get the government involved in all of this now? This is done with. And on the other end of the spectrum is
I think that the other person जिसका साल इतना अच्छा नहीं था, it was Vijay Mallya. You know, you remember? Yeah, the king of good time लग गया उसका. कहाँ का king of good time? Like I really feel bad for him. मतलब उसने क्या किया? उसने 9,000 करोड़ मतलब बांग्लादेश का GDP लेके भाग गया वो, right? और बुराई क्या किया उसने? He just went away. And now we are saying कि वो चोर है ये वो, but I'm proud of Vijay Mallya. मतलब कैमरा है यहाँ पे, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कैमरा के सामने, प्राउड ऑफ विजय माल्या बिकॉज साउथ इंडियन बिजनेसमैन होने के बावजूद ही डिड अ नॉर्थ इंडियन थिंग. उसने घपला किया, उसने पैसा बनाया खुद के लिए. यू नो व्हाट आई थिंक विजय माल्या इज लाइक मॉडर्न रॉबिन हुड. मतलब अमीरों से लूटता है और गरीबों से भी लूटता है, सबसे लूटता है. एंड you know, I think a lot of people have also said कि यार is he an anti-national? वो anti-national नहीं है and should we bring him back? I really don't think. I think he's done a good deal. उसने अच्छा किया.
he had this whole thing, no? He said that he's not a. Everyone was calling him a thief.
हाँ, सब लोग बोल रहे थे कि you know people are calling him thief. Some people are calling him मेरे बेटे का बाप. सब बहुत कुछ बोल रहे थे. They're saying a lot of things, and these are the guys I'm talking about. So, but in his defense, you know what he has said? He said that I'm not a thief, I'm a willful defaulter. मतलब भाई के पास पैसा है मगर देने का मूड नहीं है. It's like saying I'm not a writer, I'm Chetan Bhagat.
Chetan Bhagat came out with a book, right, this year?
Yeah, Chetan Bhagat came out with a book. I don't know how many of you read it. It was One Indian Girl. Yeah, which was read by none of the Indian girls. And ऐसे वैसे नहीं book लिखा. He did research किया भाई ने, पता है? He researched this book with 100 women. सब लोग ने एक ही advice दिया, मत लिख. और ऐसा नहीं, he was in the news for 2016 because I mean he's tweeted a lot of stuff. One of the tweet was about the national anthem. He said कि अभी हर TV show के पहले भी national anthem होना चाहिए. Sex के पहले भी national anthem होगा क्या? And I was shocked. I'm like, चेतन भगत sex कर रहा है क्या हो रहा है? But you know this year it was all about being an anti-national. मतलब एकदम easy था. You know, you want to become famous, become an anti-national. And I know how many of you want to become famous over here? अच्छा वो एक ही लड़का है. वाह, you're already famous, I guess.
घर बुक कर लेना, ठीक है?
No, but what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to tell you 3 steps how to become a celebrity anti-national. समझ रहे? मतलब एकदम कन्हैया लेवल वाला, not चेतन भगत लेवल, top level. Simple step. Step 1 is say any random fact about Pakistan. Just जाके बोल कि पाकिस्तान में भी ऑक्सीजन है. ऑक्सीजन बंद वापस हमेशा. Step 2 is if there's any fact about India, मतलब fictional facts or something, fictional facts, yeah, just refute it. If somebody says UNESCO ने बोला that this 2000 rupee note is the best 2000 rupee note that has ever come out in this 2000 rupee year, whatever, and you're like, this is the only 2000 rupee note. You're like, anti-national, वापस जा. And finally, this everybody can do, even you guys can do, you know. You just have to say one word. It starts with B. 4 letters. It's not what you're thinking about. No. I know you guys. I've come here before. It's beef. Just say the word beef. अभी कोई उठा के लेके जाएगा तुम लोगों को. एक दिन सप्ले में मैं बीफ खा रहा था. सुबह आके पुलिस ने अरेस्ट कर लिया. But apparently, does anybody want to eat beef here?
No.
Yeah, मारो उसको. There is a way of eating beef. Safe है. It's beef के सामने you just have to say भारत माता की जय. Beef खुद पनीर में convert हो जाता है. Try करो, it happens.
Puneet, as a Sindhi, has this whole anti-national thing affected?
He's a Sindhi, guys. Give it up for Puneet. Yes.
As a Sindhi, I have my roots in Karachi. So people have been telling me to go back to Pakistan from even before it was fashionable to do so. But it's so easy to become an anti-national. How do you become a nationalist if you want to become? Is there a way?
I think there is. Like, for instance, true nationalism, as you would know, is watching Sasural Simar Ka for its social message, while watching News Hour for its entertainment value, right?
No, I'll tell you what. I think true nationalism is believing that Sunny Deol is a real freedom fighter. That's true nationalism.
I think true nationalism is believing that all the Indian Chinese recipes also come from the Vedas.
I think true nationalism is supporting Coke Studio India in public while secretly downloading Coke Studio Pakistan in private.
Everybody, something. I'll tell you what. True nationalism is any white guy you see, उसको जाके तो चिल्ला बेंचो कोहिनूर वापस दे. अब it doesn't matter वो ग्रीनलैंड, फिनलैंड, युगांडा कहाँ से तो उसे जाके चिल्लाएगा.
I think true nationalism is chanting Sachin, Sachin. Even in a hockey match.
In all this nationalism debate, अपना Indian defense budget this year got increased to $51 billion. You know, we are using $51 billion to fight militants who are fighting us with leftover props from JP Datta movies. Do you think $51 billion is required?
51 मतलब मेरे को इतना तो पता नहीं है, but अभी तू बोल रहा है तो सही रहेगा. But 50, I think the reason why we have such a huge budget is because India का greatest nuclear missile, weapon of mass destruction, is no longer with us. You guys know, right? Arnab Goswami is no longer. वो नहीं है. I mean, he just shouts and हम लोग जीत जाते हैं. That's how we win the war. और मुझे लगता है जब वॉर नहीं होता ना, खुद जाके 2-3 लोग को मार के आता है बॉर्डर में. एक्सक्लूसिव फुटेज वैसे ही मिलता है ना उनको. Yeah, that's only Times Now has exclusive footage. और किसी के पास कुछ नहीं है. I don't know how many of you saw this like a month ago मैंने देखा था Times Now, तो उनका प्रोमो आ रहा है. एक तो उनका प्रोमो is out of this world. ऐसा अपना चल के आ रहा है, फिर ऐसा बैठता है, फिर ऊपर देखता रहता है कि नासा में रॉकेट लॉन्च होने वाला है. You have that feeling. And then I saw their promo. वो प्रोमो में लिखा था कि Times Now has 30% more viewership than CNN IBN. Believable, ठीक है? It has 50% more than NDTV. ठीक है? It has 5,000% more than NewsX. Is it even mathematically possible? The only way this happens is जब न्यूज रीडर NewsX में बैठ रहा है ना, पढ़ रहा है ना, तो अर्नब टपली बजा के चल न्यूज आवर देख अभी तो क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. That is the only way I think this is possible. But I guess that is the only reason why I think.
In the whole Arnab resignation debate, I was researching. Arnab has actually written a book in 2002 called Combating Terrorism: The Legal Challenges. Because that is what terrorists care about, no the law in the country, no. अगर कसब का किसी ने प्लेटफॉर्म टिकट चेक कर लिया था तो फिर CST में वो चीज नहीं होता यार. Like Arnab thinks that way. Personally, I didn't read the book because it was written in all caps lock. So, you should never judge a book by its cover. But I judged
first
it by
page
the
में
title.
लिखा था मेरा बुक पर भेंचो ऐसा लिखा था उसमें.
But personally, I feel Arnab Goswami is what Clark Kent would be like he was good in his day job. For Superman fans, hai, theek hai. And all said and done, this whole nationalism debate spilled over to Bollywood as well. जहाँ पे "Ae Dil Hai Mushkil," in order to release a movie, Karan Johar had to bribe MNS, they had to bribe KRK, they had to pay some money to the Army Relief Fund. If you look at all the money that Karan Johar paid in bribes, Anurag Kashyap could have made 2 movies with that. You know? And Bollywood this year, they also ventured into superhero movies. Normal movie बनाने नहीं आता, लेकिन superhero movie बनाने चले गए लोग. They made Flying Jut. Flying Jut की story ये है कि Tiger Shroff as a superhero can fly, which is more believable than the story that Tiger Shroff can act.
I come on, he's a good actor, so.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm a.
जब से blue suit पहन लिया तुमने.
Yeah, I mean, I like men in like spandex, so I can't say so.
What was his superpower? I thought his superpower was that he does not get jet lag. Yeah, he gets jet lag.
Did you watch any superhero movies this year?
Not many. What about you? Are you guys fans of superhero movies? Like, do you follow any particular brand? Like,
सबको यही लगता है कि बेंचो मैं बैटमैन हूँ मैं. Everybody feels that.
DC, Marvel, चंपक कुछ तो.
Yeah, कौन Did you watch Batman vs Superman? Yes. I found that movie so confusing. It should be called Scriptwriter versus Audience.
I'm bored of the superhero movies. There's so many of them that came out this year. I'm bored of watching the world getting destroyed over and over again. No, I'm convinced now that with computer graphics, you can show anything you want. यानी पूरा पृथ्वी का 4 टुकड़ा हो गया, अंदर से मैट्रिक्स निकल रहा है, ट्रांसफॉर्मर स्केटिंग कर रहे हैं, ऑन द एम्पायर स्टेट बिल्डिंग, आप कुछ भी दिखा सकते हो ना, फटा पोस्टर निकल चुके आप कुछ भी दिखा सकते हो. Why not have something different now? Like something different for a change, a more believable story. Like maybe Spider-Man wants to buy a flat in Bandra, but he can't afford it क्योंकि उसका बाप एक LIC एजेंट है. So he enters घरों के खिलाड़ी, फिर उसकी माँ वोट मांगती है. बेटा बहुत ख्वाहिश थी बचपन से हमारा भी एक सी फ्लैट हो, तो SMS कीजिए मक्कड़ मानो उससे. And he wins guys because he's Spider-Man, right? So there's a twist at the end. He wins the prize money, but he has to pay 30% tax. तो सर्विस टैक्स, स्वच्छ भारत टैक्स, कृषि कल्याण टैक्स देते हैं.
Superhero says.
Superhero says. ये सब भर के उसका चटनी निकल जाता है. So in the sequel, he can become a Uber